Exciting places to visit in Thailand. Pattaya, bustling and charming city of Thailand. Fall in love with the beauty of Coral Island. Mesmerize with 18 meters tall golden Buddha statue at Big Buddha Temple. Bangkok, the city of angels. Vibrant and exciting nightlife of Bangkok. Visit impressive historical temple of city, Wat Pho. Explore magnificent building within the Grand Palace. Phuket, fantastic array of attraction. Hidden and pristine Freedom Beach. Relish the charismatic view of Lame Sing Beach. Stunning Patong Beach with sports activities. Krabi, archetypal destination. Marvelous and breezy Raleigh Beach. Chill at de-stressing Koh Phi Lake. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.